Hi, it's Mr. Tush over at Global, and I am going to go through how to download and use an image for my app here. I've started writing an app, I've even coded an app where if I press this button, it's going to play this cute dog sound. But instead of having this rather bland looking button or even changing the text to say, click to hear a dog, I want to replace all of this with an image of a cute dog. So to do that, I'm going to go over to a blank Google screen. And I'm going to actually call up the images search engine. It's just something that's a part of the Google system, and it's the best way, I think, to look for dog images or images of any kind. So I'm going to type in cute dog. It's going to give me files that are called cute dog. It's not going to actually evaluate whether Google thinks the dogs are cute. It's going to simply give me file names that say cute dog. And here are all the dogs. Now, whenever you use images on the web, and you're going to use them in apps, you have to use stuff that is not protected by copyright. Copyright means somebody else owns the image, and you don't want to steal that. So we're going to go over to Tools. We're going to go over to Usage Rights. And we're going to pick Label for non-commercial reuse, which means the people who put it on the web actually said, we don't care if anybody reuses this image. These are all that for that. And here you go. This particular dog right here looks like a King Charles Spaniel, but I'm not an expert. Anyway, this is from the wikimedia.org site. That's actually very large, so we're going to pick something a little bit smaller. This one from Pixabay is 960 by 640, so let's pick that one instead. I'm going to right-click it and go to Save Image As. Now, some people are very used to opening it and downloading this image, and you can. But I'm going to stick with this image right here because I really do want the small version of it. Save Image As. Often that's called download. I'm going to change it to cute dog. And I'm going to put it in my downloads folder so I can find it. And I'm also going to remind you to look at this thing that says JPEG image. Make sure it's a JPEG or a GIF or a PNG. It will probably be one of those three files, most likely JPEG. You don't want to download HTML, MP3, anything else that isn't an image file. So you click Save, and it downloads it to that folder. All I have to do now is go over to MIT App Inventor, go over to my media bucket and upload the same file out of the same location. I put it in my downloads folder. I called it cute dog. There it is. There's my cute dog. I open it. Then I'm going to upload it. Once I upload it, all I need to do is tell this button to use this image. How do I do that? I click on the button, go over to Properties, and look at Image. And then I put in the cute dog. Now be careful, put in the picture, the JPEG, not the dog sound, WAV. Well, there's my picture. Looks pretty okay, except for this big ugly text for button 1. All you have to do is go over to Properties, delete it, and now you've put a picture inside of a button. Fairly simple, perfectly legal, and you're going to be doing this an awful lot as you design your apps throughout the year. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped.